Hey, good morning. It's Monday, the 26th. Looking at the agenda, you are going to practice iStation for 30 minutes today. Be sure you're on there for the entire 30 minutes, otherwise it will flag you and say that you didn't spend enough time. When you are done with that, you're going to go to IXL and you're going to work on C3. C3 is about an author's purpose, which is what is the reason why the author wrote whatever that is. The story, just a could be just an article, just whatever he wrote. What was his purpose? Was it to entertain you, like a comic book or a novel? Was it to inform you, like our social studies or science books, give you new information? Or was it to try to persuade you to either think differently or to do something differently? So when you get to C3, they're going to ask you about that, the author's purpose. You do not have to be finished with that today. If you find it easy, go ahead and finish. If you're finding it difficult, then do some, and then you can come back tomorrow or Wednesday and finish. It's not due till the end of the day Wednesday, so whatever you want to do is fine. In ancient Egypt, today is the last day. We're working on the Pharaoh's chart, which means you should be taking your facts, your 5 interesting facts that you wrote about each of those pharaohs, and then you're going to type them up in the chart today. When you're finished, make sure you turn it in, and then I'll have to print those out for you. That chart, remember that you are going to go to different websites, not just one. Ducksters is the easiest one probably, because down at the bottom, where under people, you can click on the different people. Remember that you're replacing the first one in the top left-hand corner. I don't have my sheet, but Atmos, I think. And you're going to replace that with one of your own. There's just not a lot about him, so there's others that there's more information. So pick another one, and that should be done today. When you are done, make sure that you turn that in, say that you're finished, and it is due by the end of the day. Write in complete sentences. Go back and reread what you write to make sure it makes sense. And remember, they're interesting facts, not just when was he born, when did he die. We don't want a lot of dates in there. We want just interesting facts like, well, what did he do? What happened when they were Pharaoh? You can put in things like maybe his dad was famous too. You could put in that his father was, or maybe he married someone famous, or maybe he is the son of someone famous. You can put things like that. But just, we want to know information about him. We want to feel like we know him. I think that's about all that you need to do. Tomorrow I will not leave you a video because I'm not going to be here. I have jury duty, but I have gone ahead and scheduled your agenda. So you'll have to look on your agenda and go ahead and read that. I think that's it. If you have any questions today, make sure that you email me and I'll get back with you just as quickly as I can. If there's something else you need to know. Okay? All right. Well, you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.